Hello and welcome, my dear friends. In this video, I'm going to start first order linear differential equation questions. The general form of a first order linear differential equation is this one, remember? And we can also say, instead of dy over dx, y prime plus px times y is equal to q of x. This is the general form. And we have two cases here. In the first case, qx is equal to 0. When this is the case, we can pass this px times y term to the other side, and we get the opportunity of collecting y terms to the left hand side and x terms to the right hand side. This is called a separable equation, and to solve a separable equation, we just integrate both sides when we collect y terms to the left hand side and x terms to the other side. In case qx is different from 0, this is our second case, and in this case we need to use an integrating factor. This is called an integrating factor. I will show how to use an integrating factor to solve a first order linear differential equation in my next video. This video is about a separable equation. And here comes our question. Y prime minus y sine x is equal to 0. To start with, let's write dy over dx instead of y prime, and let's pass this y sine x term to the right hand side. Y sine x. To collect y terms to the left hand side and x terms to the right hand side, we just replace these dx and y terms. So we get dy over y is equal to sine x dx. And when we integrate both sides at this stage, integral of dy over y is equal to ln y, and the right hand side makes integral of sine x is minus cosine x plus c. Let's call this constant c1, and to find y at our final stage, we raise both sides to the power of c. What we get is e and ln terms undo each other. We get y in the left hand side, and the right hand side is e to the minus cosine x times e to the c1. At this stage, if we want, we can call e to the c1 c, which is another constant. And finally, we come up with the solution of our differential equation, c times e to the minus cosine x. That's all. See you in my next lecture.